This morning's breakfast is pork noodle soup. Good morning. This is Stephen. I'm currently in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, visiting my family and friends. Today is Sunday, December 11th. According to my phone, I walk close to 4,500 steps. So there's a tad short of 2 miles. Yeah, because I have to get home and take a shower and get ready for lunch with my relatives and family. This is probably the only activity that I'll be doing today. And then I'll come back and start packing my bags. Yeah, my vacation is coming to an end soon. Tomorrow I'm leaving Kuala Lumpur back to San Francisco Bay Area via Singapore. I may shoot some videos when I am transiting in Singapore. I have a few hours there. Stay tuned. I'm having lunch with my family and some relatives in a restaurant called Chef Chiu in Petaling Jaya. We are having green vegetables, chicken, charcoal tofu, pig's small intestines, chicken rice, and curry prawns. They're all yummy. Thank you very much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for your support. Till next time. Bye.